Hello friends, today we will discuss about heterocyclic compounds, unit 4 of your syllabus. Now these heterocyclic compounds are cyclic compounds which contain one or more atoms of other elements along with carbon atoms. They are called heterocyclic compounds. The non-carbon atoms in this ring are called heteroatoms. The most common heteroatoms used are nitrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. These are aromatic in nature. Now, in Unit 3, you would be discussing about the five-membered heterocyclic compound with one heteroatom, that is pyrrole, furane, and thiophene. Now, in this chapter, you will discuss about five-membered heterocyclic compounds with two heteroatoms like pyrazole, imidazole, oxazole, and thiazole. Now, first of we will discuss each one by one, each of them one by one. Now, in this pyrazole, it consists of two nitrogen atoms at 1 and 2 position of cyclic system. The pyrazole ring is numbered as you can see in this structure. First and second position contains nitrogen atom. This structure was first identified by Buckner in 1889. The pyrazole derivative are used as dyes, drugs, and antioxidant in fuels. Pyrazoles also exhibit tautomerism. Now, how this is synthesized in the lab? Now, it is first synthesized from 1,3 dicarbonyl compound. 1,3 dicarbonyl compound reacts with hydrazine or hydroxylamine to give pyrazoles. Now, in second synthesis of this pyrazole is the alpha beta ethylene carbonyl compound give pyrazole on heating with phenylhydrazine. Now, in the third reaction, pyrazole derivatives can also be prepared by adding a diazo compound, for example, diazomethane or methyl diazoacetate, to an acetylenic derivative. Now, what different reactions which are shown by pyrazole? First is oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, the pyrazole ring is oxidized with strong oxidizing agent like potassium permanganate, but it is actually resistant to oxidation, but side chain may be oxidized. You can see in this reaction the CH3 is converted to COH group. In the second reaction is reduction, in which pyrazole ring system can be reduced with molecular hydrogen and metal catalyst. Pyrazolene and pyrazolidine are formed, which are stronger base than pyrazole. In the third reaction, alkylation. Pyrazole contains NH group in its system. The free NH group can be alkylated with alkylating agents such as alkyl halide, diazomethane, or dimethyl sulfate to give 1-methyl pyrazole. Now, electrophilic aromatic substitution. In electrophilic aromatic substitution, the pyrazole undergoes electrophilic substitution readily at fourth position with the formation of intermediate arenium ion. In this reactions, you can see pyrazole react with chlorination, react with chlorine to form 4-chloropyrazole. Pyrazole react with bromine to form 4-bromopyrazole, and pyrazole react undergo nitration to form 4-nitropyrazole. Pyrazole undergo sulfonation to form pyrazole 4-sulfonic acid. So all the reactions are occurring at 4 position. Now next is reaction of pyrazole with nucleophiles. Halogen of pyrazole derivative do not undergo substitution reaction, but in the presence of electron withdrawing group assist nucleophilic substitution of halogen. As you can see in this reaction, halogen is readily substituted with amine group. Now, what are different medicinal uses of this pyrazole ring. Pyrazole ring can be used in formation of many drugs, as we have already discussed, like analgin. It is used as analgesic antipyretic used to relieve headache and muscle pain. Now phenylbutazone and oxyphenbutazone, these contain pyrazolidine ring. Both contain pyrazolidine ring, and they are both can also be used as analgesic antipyretic and anti-inflammatory agents. Now last is phenazone. Phenazone contains this pyrazolidine ring that is also used as analgesics and antipyretic. Thank you.